What's up guys, in this video we are going to unbox the most recent phone by Samsung Galaxy. It launched a couple of days ago and it's already available in Boost Mobile. I'm talking about Samsung Galaxy A53 5G. After Galaxy A51 and A71, this is another mid-range Galaxy phone came into Boost Mobile. Its unlocked version costs $449 on Samsung Galaxy website, but Boost Mobile phone will be way cheaper after applying some promotions, which we will discuss later on in this video. So if you have Galaxy A32 5G, A51 or A71, then must consider this phone as your next purchase, because we are talking about 128 GB storage, 120 Hz refresh rate, quad camera setup and big built-in battery. So without wasting any time, let's dig into it. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's open the box to check what comes in it and complete the initial setup. The unlocked version of this phone comes in a different colors, but Boost Mobile got it only in black color. Power adapter is not included in the box. It has the charging cable, startup guide and SIM card tool. This phone comes with a big 6.5-inch Full HD AMOLED display with 120 Hz frequency. The screen is flat but sides are slightly curved, which gives a different look to this phone. Let's look at the back cover. It's a plastic body. It's not glossy finished nor matte, so not taking fingerprints, which is good. Bumpy camera setup with the flashlight. Edges are giving 3D effect. Sometimes you even don't feel the bump. On the right side we get volume and power keys. On the bottom side we get SIM card tray, mic, Type-C charging port and external speaker, which we will test in a few. If you have noticed, this phone does not have headphone jack, so consider buying a headphones, the Bluetooth ones, if you like to listen the music. This is the drawback, you can say. This one does not have a power adapter, which most of the new phones are not coming with it, but now this phone does not have a headphone jack. So now it depends what kind of headphones you like, so consider adding a couple of dollars with the price of the phone if you like to listen to music. Built-in on-screen fingerprint sensor, which works fine. You guys will notice one thing while watching movies or any kind of videos on this phone. There's a tiny space left on the edges, which is okay. 6.5-inch HD display is still a big enough display to watch, and 120 Hz frequency will give you smooth experience while you playing games and doing multitasking, switching between the applications or doing your regular tasks. And 1080p screen resolution makes this display crystal clear and full of fun, especially when you are watching movies on this phone. Exynos 1280 octa-core 2.4 GHz processor is a 5 nanometer chipset for mid-range Galaxy phones. It's pretty new chipset, and in upcoming A series, Samsung is going to use this chipset as compared to Snapdragon. So now let's see how the new processor runs in the new upcoming phones. You will get 128 GB built-in storage in this phone. I will give you tons of space to save data, and its 6 GB of RAM will make run this phone smooth while you are transitioning between applications. It supports external SD card up to 1 TB in case 128 GB of built-in storage is not enough for you. This mid-range Samsung Galaxy phone will give you a decent quad camera setup. It's not too low, neither crazy high. It has 64 megapixels main, 12 megapixels ultra wide, 5 megapixels macro, and 5 megapixels depth camera. So this phone has options for all kind of users in terms of the camera. Now it depends which camera out of 4 you use mostly. So most of the users, they use the main camera. So this one is giving you 64 megapixels main camera, which is big enough to give you crystal clear video quality and the pictures in case you want to fit more people in one picture or more object in one picture. It has big 12 megapixels ultra wide camera, and if you want to capture the details of an object, then macro and depth cameras are also available in this phone. So it's a great combination of the cameras, and 32 megapixel selfie camera. In terms of security, this phone has all kind of security features including traditional and biometric. You can secure your phone with PIN, password and pattern lock, or by using fingerprint and face recognition method. It also has smart lock, which gives you advanced ways of security, such as phone stays unlocked if it's close to your body. Once you are at your trusted places, maybe your office or your home, your phone screen unlocks itself. And if it detects your trusted devices such as your smartwatch or Bluetooth headphones, your screen unlocks itself. In the end of this video, we should talk about its price and promotions in Boost Mobile. As I mentioned earlier, this 5G phone unlocked version is $449.99. MSRP in Boost Mobile is also the same. But if you switch to Boost Mobile, you can get discount. It's $200, and being Boost Mobile existing customer, you will be paying $250, but you must be eligible for upgrade. These are the current price and promotions in Boost Mobile, and not included tax and fees. Price may be different once you visit the Boost Mobile store, so always consider the current price and promotion. The Android version in this phone is 12, which will give you most recent features while you're using it. And if you talk about the battery, it's huge, 5000 milliamps, and it supports power adapter up to 25 watt, which does not come with the phone. You have to purchase it separately, as I mentioned earlier in this video. So this was the unboxing of Samsung Galaxy A53 5G, in which I covered its most important features and specification, which majority of the customer they need to know before to buy any phone, such as its screen size, its camera setup, built-in storage, Android version, and the battery as well. So that's all. I hope you guys like this video. Please share your thoughts regarding this phone in the comment section. Subscribe my channel so that you guys can get my upcoming videos. So till then, stay safe, take care of yourself and my channel.